Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do this Asian Barbie very pink look. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. There's a lot of blending involved, but other than that, it's pretty simple. If you're new here, hi, I'm Frankie, nice to meet you. This is the first time I'm filming in 2018, that is so surreal. If you would like to see more of my makeup looks and behind the scenes shenanigans, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. My Facebook is Francesca Starrson MUA, my Twitter is fstarrson101, my Snapchat is starry_dancer, and my Instagram is I am Frankie Starrson. So basically anything Starrson, you'll find me. That is Starrson, STARRSON, and no, I did not steal that from Patrick Star or Jeffree Star. I've been calling myself Starrson since I was 8 years old, so just almost 10 years now. I'm not old, I promise, I'm very young and lively. So this tutorial is a little bit different to my other ones. I'm going to try and do a voiceover, just a clear-cut voiceover and see how I like it. But without further ado, let's get this tutorial started and come on Barbie, let's go party! I've already gone ahead and done my primer and eyebrows before filming, so today I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in the shade 82 Cocoa Light, and I'm buffing that in with the Morphe M439. For priming my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Light 11 Neutral. Excuse all the faces that I'm making right now, but with that concealer, I'm going to blend it in with a Real Techniques contour sponge and patting it lightly onto my eyes. Then I'm just going to set it down with the Hatsune Miku translucent powder from Cosmoplay, as well as brushing off the excess with a powder brush. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and starting off with the transition shade in Bon Fresco. I'm going to pack it all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Love Letter and going back and forth on the outer V of my eyes. So as you can see here, the majority of this eyeshadow look is going to be a lot of going back and forth in that outer crease and lots of blending in. And I'm going to be using Bon Fresco again to clean the wings of my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Venetian Red to intensify the outer crease, using the Shader Crease E47 from Sigma Beauty. Then blending it all in once more with Love Letter. For my winged liner today, I'm going to be using the Hatsune Miku Felt Tip Liner from Cosmoplay. And for now, I'm just going to be doing the outline of my wing. I'm going to leave that for now and instead use the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon near my lash line just to blend in my false lashes that I'm going to be using later on. Now I'm going to be blending that out using a winged liner brush. Now we're coming back to the wing, and as you can see, I'm just slowly taking my time here, starting from the outside of the wing and going back into my eyelid and slowly filling it in. The trick here is to not make the wing too large, otherwise you're basically blocking out all that hard work and effort from blending that you just did. Next, I'm going to be using the King Lashes from Majesty Lashes. Unfortunately, these are not available anymore. I'm not sure why. The website is no longer available, so I'm going to be using lashes next time that you guys can actually get. But any wispy lashes will do, as long as the lashes are smaller towards the inner corners of your eyes to create that cat eye effect. Next, I'm going to blend in my false lashes with the Better Than Sex mascara to my real lashes. I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard to highlight those under eyes and the high points of my face. I'm just going to blend it all in with the E26 brush from Morphe, and this is actually a double-ended brush, so you can use the bigger side or the smaller size for this step. For contour today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Mocha, and I made a little bit of a mistake here, but it's a lot easier to do your contour on your nose before you put on your lashes. I know I did do that in this video, but just keep that in mind, it's so much easier. Your false lashes don't get in the way when you're doing your nose contour. And then I'm gonna blend out Mocha using the Morphe E8 brush. For this look, we're going to be very pink, so we're going to be using the Down Boy blush from The Balm and mixing that in with California from Benefit and applying both of them to the high points of the cheeks. I'm also going to be taking a smaller brush, just any eyeshadow brush will do, and highlighting my nose using the California blush, as well as the inner corner and brow bone. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be using the KissMe Pink Cherry Lipstick from Life Glam. And this is the perfect shade for that pink Barbie look that we want. Before I forget, I'm going to be taking that E-Sigma brush and using the shade Love Letter for my under eye. And of course, the last step is setting and drying with that bougie fan. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and since you're already here, hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Enjoy the bloopers! With the double chin. Oh. Now they always say congratulations. We're breaking free, flying. If we're trying. Hey. But seriously guys, have you seen The Greatest Showman? Rewrite the Stars is literally Breaking Free 2.0. Shakira.